What's up, guys? It's Ramon from NyneBlockGaming&Collectibles coming at you with another review. This time it is of a Demoniacal Fit Deep Blue, or a Super Saiyan God Super Saiyan Vegeta. Here's what the box looks like. You got some promo pictures on the back. You got this nice see-through front, deep blue on the clear. Deep blue on the clear plastic so you can see through to the figure. You got your Demoniacal Fit logo with the Vegeta on the side. Deep blue on this side. Deep blue on the bottom. Now let's open this up. Check it out. So here's what the internal hard plastic shell looks like. So you have the Vegeta 3-head sculpt cross arms, multiple hand, and a effect piece that comes separate, as you can see there. Clamshell opens up right there from the side. It's pretty snug. And then we have our figure. Do close-ups of the face sculpt. Very nice metallic blue. Has a different blue than I'm used to for the body here. And it's a little darker. It's not white, it's off-white gray with almost like metallic chipped paint in it. See that? It's not even gloss. It has like metallic chips in it. Pearlescent type off-white paint. Let's go over articulation quick. Head can move back that far and pretty far, and the face sculpt fell off. It's not that it's loose. Tucking the chin in actually push on the faceplate to pop it off. Looks down that far. Arms go out to 90. Bicep swivel. Double jointed elbows. Your standard wrist peg for your figure art or Demoniacal Fit. Gets good movement and rotation out of it. You have a diaphragm joint there. It enables a lot of tilt. You get a little bit of gappage there if you go too far back with it. No gappage in the back when you move it forward, so forward's fine. Leg kicks up extremely high, and you can see I popped it off. Back to about a 90. Double jointed knees. There is a cut for the, oh, there we go. It was a little tight, now it's loosened up. You got hip swivel. No boot swivel, but ankle rocker here. As you can see the internal there, how that peg works. It can sit down or you can pull it up. That is your standard Vegeta peg. Looks like there might be some extra plastic on this boot here. Yeah. You can see it differs from left to right. That's okay though. And then you have your toe hinge. It does not get a lot of movement at all out of it. Oh, no. Just another tight joint. So there we go. Loosened it up a little bit just from some force, and you get a decent toe hinge. So now I'll do a comparison from this body to the official, here is the official. As you can see, it's a much lighter blue, almost purple. On the regular cloth, armor is much lighter. This reminds me of the Broly movie colors with the gray. You can see the boots are white. Toes are much more yellow over here. These are brown. Much more yellow on the armor. Saiyan armor. That's a brown there. So this reminds me more of the Broly movie look. Let's do height. This is one of the things I like about Demoniacal Fit. They do Vegeta's height a little better than Figuarts does. He's not standing straight up, but it looks like it might be just a tad smaller. This is a different head sculpt that's a little more pointy, but you can see head sculpt to head sculpt here. Vegeta stands a little smaller on the Demoniacal Fit body than he does the official Figuart. Size comparison between other lines. Here is a Mayfek Spider-Man. And a Marvel Select Hawk. You can see he stands right about the waist on the Hawk. It's a good size for Vegeta, I would think. Figuarts are a little smaller. Let's go over these extra face plates. Teeth gritting or angry type looking face. Yelling or effect using, if he's using a big bang attack or something. Here's his sideways smirk. You get 2 open palm hands. Two fingers bent, but open palm hands. You got your crossed arms. Fingers together, but open with thumb tucked. Two fingers and thumb out for his Majin Vegeta destroying the crowd attack. Now these hands look slightly different. See how this finger's spread further apart? So you have those hands. And then you have a thumbs up. That's it. As far as the extra accessories go with the figure. Now let's check out the effect piece. This one stands a little better than the last one they had with Goku. I could not get it to stand on my table. It is slightly unlevel, but it shouldn't really affect a effect like that standing up too well. It almost looks like this hair is somewhat translucent. I'm seeing some light shine through. And that is the effect. Close it up. And have Vegeta powering up. Overall, guys, the price of this figure is sitting right around $45 to $50. My opinion of it, it's an absolute must-buy. This body, even though it was just announced that we are getting a reissue on a updated body mold for Vegeta, I absolutely think you should grab this if you're unable to grab the new one. I think it's only sitting at $35, so that is slightly cheaper, but this one comes with an effect. So the price difference between the $35 and $45, you get a 15 Tamashii effect, even though it's not official. It is identical. So with this demonical fit, I feel as though it's something that you guys should pick up. The price point is right. And once it sells out, it's probably going to go up a little higher. Maybe the new released Saiyan Armor Vegeta is going to keep that price low. But again, it's a decent price, $45 to $50 for a effect, a Vegeta, and all those extra accessories is a great price. My rating on this figure, I'd give it an 8 out of 10. We get a lot of different face sculpts. We get the crossed arms. We get the effect piece. The only thing that I'm a little iffy about, both the skin tone. The skin tone seems a little too tan colored, not as pale. Let's see if I can get a close-up of that. You see how it's this one almost looks yellow. That's actually my lighting. It's more of a natural skin tone color here, and this just seems a little too tan. Might be picky with it. So that's not that big of an issue. The hair is almost a little blue. The colors seem off. Otherwise, I would grade it much higher for the price that it is. Can't wait to see the new Super Saiyan Vegeta released and compare it to this figure. But still a solid 8 out of 10. You get a lot of accessories. This is a Saiyan Armored Vegeta that is very hard to come by right now. And the new one has sold out so quick. You guys might find it hard to even get one of those. So in the meantime, you have this guy here to be your stand-in Saiyan Armored Vegeta for your collection. Alright guys, that's it for the review. If you enjoyed this review, please hit that thumbs up. If you want to see more content from me in the future and want to be notified as I'm releasing more content, I have plenty of it coming out. Please subscribe to the channel to be notified as I am releasing content. I talked previously on videos how I'm doing a giveaway. I think I have enough content out. I'm going to be soon making a video for that. I have multiple sources in which I review, unbox, and do box openings. So I'm going to make it a winner's choice of multiple items through each line or items that I review. So I hope to see you guys in that video. Subscribe to be notified when I release that. And I'll catch you guys later. See ya.